Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials: iOS 15 installed, battery above 20%, and a recent backup. Once done, open Settings and go to Battery to check which apps report heavy usage and whether low power mode is active. Next, navigate to General Right Arrow Background App Refresh and set it to Wi-Fi and cellular so processes can continue. Make sure location and motion permissions aren't forcing frequent wake-ups. Adjust per app as you identify high battery or CPU consumers. You now diagnose why iOS 15 shows incorrect time remaining. Start in battery and note apps with disproportionate activity during screen off. Once identified, reproduce the issue. Toggle airplane mode to isolate network activity, then re-enable Wi-Fi or cellular one at a time. Next, review settings, right arrow privacy, right arrow analytics, and improvements, right arrow analytics data for recurring crash or powered logs that indicate a misbehaving daemon. If a specific app or service, you finish by applying fixes. Update iOS and apps first, then reinstall any app flagged in diagnostics. If the problem continues, reset all settings to clear misconfigurations without erasing data and test battery predictions afterward. For persistent discrepancies, perform a clean restore from a backup or set up as new to eliminate corrupt system state. If none of these solve it, collect reproducible steps, screenshots, and analytics logs. Then contact Apple support for deeper diagnostics. This is the key troubleshooting move.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.